Annoyed by PPSSPP crashing on your iPhone? Don't worry, I've got you covered. First things first, make sure your PPSSPP app is up to date from the App Store. Sometimes it's the simplest fix. Next, try different ISO versions of your game. Some ISOs are just buggy. And hey, a US ROM might just do the trick. Now, head over to the audio settings in PPSSPP. Find the synchronization option and turn it off. Don't forget to save the core override. Let's check if your ISO is valid. Right-click or long-press the game icon and select Calculate CRC. If you see a green notice, you're good to go. Still having issues? Try resetting the PPSSPP settings or even testing an older version of the app. Also, disable cheats and avoid loading save states. They can be sneaky troublemakers. If all else fails, report the issue to the PPSSPP developers with logs or screenshots. They're there to help, and that's it. Enjoy your smooth gaming on iOS.